What is up, guys? CB Cool here again with another video, and today we have a 12-card set booster of Zendikar Rising and a 15-card draft booster of Zendikar Rising. And we're pretty much going to see, is a set booster or a draft booster better? So, personally, first thing we're going to crack into is Zendikar Rising set booster. So let's get into the set booster of Zendikar Rising. I'm going to try to open it pretty nicely. It's going to be a little long in this, but I don't know if that actually opened very nicely. I've never opened up a set booster before because, of course, set boosters are brand new in Magic the Gathering. As of now, the first ones you can get into. What is this? Really nice art series, 36 out of 81. That's really cool. It's a really nice art. Put that in the backdrop. And of course, we're getting into our basic land of an island, which is very nice. Molten Blast. Inordinate Rage. Scavenged Blade. Broken Wings. Cliff Haven Kite Sail. Moss Pit Skeleton. Good for Halloween. Mara Wizard. Into the Royal. Journey to Oblivion. There's all the Split Current, which is our rare. Chilling Trap. And of course, a Brook Star. Okay. Or a Brood Star. So we do have those. Nice cards. I don't really know what to say about that, but okay, that was a look at Zendikar Rising. And now we'll get into our 15-card draft booster. Now, I have opened draft boosters, just not of Zendikar Rising. And I can already tell this pack quality is way worse than the set booster. It's just mutilating. They definitely did better with their set boosters. But we'll get into it anyway. We get into the back is this sort of just insect token, which isn't crazy, but tokens are okay. I don't know card tricks for this because, of course, I'm not crazy into it. Shell Shield, Practice Tactics, Pyroclastic Hellion, Subtle Strike, Territorial Scythe Cat. Creepy. Deadly Alliance, Seagate, Banneret, Scale the Heights, Cleric of Chill Depths, Expedition Champion, Lull Mage's Domination, Cleric of Life's Bond, Mind Carver, a rare Undu Inversion, and a Swamp Land. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon or button so you get notified every single time a new video goes up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. See ya.